Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change the password in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what we need to do is simply click on the top right section. That's your profile picture. This is profile and account. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Well, from here, what we need to do is directly go to account settings. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Well, initially, once you're on the settings page, you'll be in contact info. On the left hand side, simply scroll down and you'll see something like password and security. Just click on it. Well, right here's something like authentication options, password, two-step verification and everything. Right now, we only want to change the password, so let's click on this password option right here. Right next to it, there's a button like this that says edit password. Just click on it. Now it's gonna ask you to enter your old password, new password, and confirm your new password. I'm gonna enter all of them. And once everything's okay, what you need to do is simply hit on save. In case you don't want to change the password, you can hit on cancel right now as well. But for now, I'm simply gonna hit on save. And that's it guys, our password has been changed. That's how we change the password in Upwork. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.